Hello, this is a free alternative option to Microsoft Office, which is completely free and you can use it with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So you can download the software from this website called as freeoffice.com, and I've already downloaded the software on my desktop. Now, let me go ahead and install the software right now. It just takes a couple of seconds depending on your computer or laptop. And you click on install and a couple of seconds. And it's installed right now. I have couple of demo files, which is Excel, Word, and PowerPoint on my desktop. So I'll go ahead and show you how to open that. First, I'll go ahead and open the Excel file by right click on it, open with, and this is the software which I'm using for free. So here you can see everything. It's same like Excel. You can edit it to whatever you want. Now I'm going to show you how to save it in a format that works with Microsoft Office. So click on File, then click on Save As, select your location, and you can select whatever version of Microsoft Office you want. So preferably it's 2007 to 21 is good. So I've gone ahead and saved the file on my desktop. Now let me open the software, let me open the Excel file with Microsoft Office. So if it's working or not, let's check it. So I'm going to open the file with Microsoft Office. And as you can see, it works fine with Microsoft Office as well. Now let me go ahead and show you with the Word file as well. So I'm going to open it, right click, open with TextMaker. So this is the Word file, it's been opened, and I can edit the text, the images. You can drag and drop whatever you want, change the text size, color, and everything. So as you can see, I'm just editing. I'm changing the size, it works. Underline, italics, changing the font. And now let me go ahead and save that. Go to File, click on Save As, and select whichever version you want. Click on Save. I've saved it on my desktop. Now let me go ahead and open that with the real Microsoft Office. As you can see, it works in Microsoft Office as well. And now let me try the PowerPoint presentation. So you can use this. Uh, Open with presentations. So as you can see, the presentations is opened, and I'll edit this out to show you how it works. I can read the text, the layout, bold, italics, and increase the size, color. Here I'm testing out the demo, so I'm just adding random numbers. I can make the image larger or smaller, align it in the middle. So now I'll go ahead and add another layout. I'm going to select this one, click on OK. And here I'll just enter anything I want. So yes, you have to reduce the size a bit and align it a little bit so it works good. It looks good. So I've gone ahead and aligned it. So same here, the text as well. So here I'm going to reduce the size to add whatever information you want. So this is an example. I'm just typing random stuff. Now I'll go ahead and save that. So it works with the PowerPoint of Microsoft Office. Click on File, Save As, and select 2007 to 2021. I'm going to rename it to whatever I want on my desktop. So go ahead and save, and it's done. So let me open with the real Microsoft Office PowerPoint so it works. So I'm going to open it with PowerPoint. As you can see, it's opened up. There are no issues. Everything looks fine. Perfect. So this is a free alternative option to Microsoft Office, which is completely free. But you only get the three options: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint presentation. So thanks for watching my video. If this helped you, please do like and subscribe. This will be very good to grow my channel as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.